Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to contact Okta Support. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your Okta account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, as you can see here, we have this link. Now your email will be listed in here. Just click on it and it will open up Outlook. All right, just got to start typing your concern in the Outlook website or app. Now, another option is by going to another tab right here in your browser and type in okta.com/contact/. All right, then just hit on enter and you will be landed to this page. Okay, just make sure to log in with your Okta account, and then once done, you have multiple options right here. You can go ahead and speak with sales. All right, just click on contact sales right here. Let's just go ahead and open it up real quick, and as you can see, you'll be able to add in your first name, last name, email address, company, job title, number of employees, country, region, phone number, and then your concern. All right, just type down your specific concern, and once done, just hit on submit and just wait for a reply from Okta Support. Just go ahead over to your account or email that is tied to your Okta account. Okay, now here, as you can see, if you don't want the email support, and you also have the same option with support.okta.com. Now in here, in the left side of your screen, you have phone numbers. Okay, for example, you have a number to call here if you are from the USA. Okay, this number, you can go ahead and pause the video and type down a number in here using your phone and call them if you want to. Okay, you have Europe, Australia, Germany, and Netherlands right here. And if you want to call the Okta headquarters, here's the number. All right, and when you go back to okta.com/contact right here and scroll all the way down, you'll find the same option. And that is it. That is how you contact Okta Support. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.